Doge Cloud is a cloud-based Dogecoin investment and mining platform designed to provide users with a simple and transparent way to earn passive income through Doge mining. Users can deposit Doge into one of the available investment plans, and the platform allocates mining resources to generate daily rewards. At the end of the selected plan term, the initial investment capital is returned to the user. Key platform features include Dashboard, a comprehensive overview of portfolio balance, active earnings, total profit, mining hash rate, performance charts, recent transactions, active plans, and referral tools. Investment plans, multiple investment packages with different daily return rates and durations, allowing users to choose a strategy that matches their goals. Mining Center, real-time mining statistics, including current hash rate, equipment uptime, blocks mined within the last 24 hours, and performance analytics. Earnings, detailed income tracking with daily, weekly, and total earnings reports, along with a complete reward history. Wallet, a secure Doge wallet interface for balance management, withdrawal requests, and transaction history. Referral program, a lifetime 5% referral commission system with sharing tools for Telegram, Twitter, and email, plus detailed referral statistics. Withdrawals, a dedicated section for managing withdrawal requests, tracking transaction statuses, and reviewing withdrawal history. The platform also provides live Dogecoin market data, including Doge/USD, Doge/BTC, Doge/EUR, Doge/U, SDT exchange rates, network difficulty, hash rate, block rewards, trading volume, market capitalization, and market dominance metrics. Doge Cloud features a modern, dark-themed interface enhanced with gold accents, particle animations, and interactive 3D hover effects, delivering a professional and engaging user experience.